What's up, my foodie family? Y'all, can y'all believe we are already at the midway point of season 3 of At Home with Chef Jolie? Now, if you've been slacking and done missed some episodes and whatnot, don't worry. Go to the link in my bio, subscribe to my channel, turn on your notifications, because I want y'all to come cut a rug with me too in this kitchen, because you've been missing some good cocktails, some good conversations, and some great food. So I put together this little cheat code and this little recap so you can see what you've been missing so far.
Tell me now, are you hungry? Looking for something for your tummy. Well, look no further. This chef is got you covered. Cooking at home with Chef Jolie.
And I got my straw because it is about quality control time. And before I taste it and let y'all know how amazing it is, stop what you're doing. Go ahead and press the red subscribe button so that you can also turn on your notifications, because how you gonna know when I got some recipes and I got some cocktails? You ain't gonna know because you didn't got your notifications turned on. Go ahead and do that. Remember to like, comment, and share too. All right, look at it. It's kind of matching. Ah, that's amazing. All right, let's taste it. This is perfect. It's so good. I got the coconut, I got the strawberry, a little bit of lemon, that pineapple juice. It's kind of like a grown-up Capri Sun. So this, you're gonna like it. But I know it's gonna sneak up on you, so take your time. Only thing left for me to do is to taste it. So, it's so pretty, y'all. I don't even wanna mess it up. I got chicken in here, shrimp, I got some mussels, the chorizo, dabadooya, all the good stuff. All right, let's taste. Takes me right back to Miami, the first time I ever had paella. Let's taste our lamb chops and risotto.
Okay, let's see. I'm trying to cut through the bone. That'll do it.
I know I want some more sauce because I'm a sauce person.
Okay.
Here we go.
Let's see. I did that.
Now she did it. She did do it.
Oh, it's so good. Let me see the risotto.
So good. And let me tell you,
Really so good.
this is quality control time. Ain't it cute? Look at it. Grape Kool-Aid cocktail. Let's taste it. Stop it, girl. Stop it. That is amazing. Tastes like Kool-Aid, but it's adult Kool-Aid. Now let me get one of these little grapes. Y'all, you gotta try this. Let's taste it. I got a cheers for everything. I don't know why.
I'm not even mad at this.
It's a celebration.
It's just dough for me.
We did it.
It's the dough for me.
I mean, not we, because when I started, I said I wasn't doing nothing. You did it. Was that not a delicious recap? See, I didn't lie to y'all. So don't miss anything else, because next week I got my girl Portia Kimball in the kitchen with me. See y'all on the next episode of At Home with Chef Jolie. Now, subscribe like y'all supposed to.